Adams Edmore their third. Now it's stolen back by Ashton Frigge, and it's stolen right back by Kelsey Tubner. Lead pass, Peters, layup good. 4:26 to go, quarter number one. Left side, driving with the ball, getting down low. Kelsey Tubner put it up and in. Kelsey Tubner down deep. 5 with it there. Kelsey Tubner back held, open three. It's on the way. That is going to rim around and eventually down. Oh, was that soft on the rim? Brittany held. And left side it goes. Peters out top, held. She's hit 1-3. She'll try again. She nailed it. She's 2 for 2. Brittany Peters. Peters to midcourt, held. Held. I had Gowan. Gowan with a step. Left hand layup is good. Megan Gowan running the court. First quarter, a little over 3 minutes to go in the first quarter. Northstar with the ball. Kelsey Tubner tries a shot from 15, no good. Gowan rebounds, puts it up and in from about 5 feet. Megan Gowan with 4. Up, held down to the corner, Kelsey Tubner. Skip pass goes, free throw line, Eisler, jumper, got it. Allie Eisler, first 2. Peters. Now 1-0, Devils leg at the end of 2 periods. Down low, the shot goes up and in. Held, throws it inside. Gowan kicks out. Peters from 15. Good. Nice quick ball movement there. Peters. She's got 4. Off the dribble, cut off. Hands it Jessica Tubner from the high post and beyond. Good. Jessica Tubner from about 14 feet knocks it down. Anderson's pass knocked away and that's stolen. Peters with a steal. Peters going to step all the way down. Layup good. Morgan Peters with 6. Turnover Lakota Adams Edwin who's back in. Now goes Peters. Right side driving with it. Eisler floats it up and in. Allie Eisler with 6. Tubner to the corner goes Eisler. Now to Kelsey Tubner. Back to Eisler. She'll fire a 3. It's an gone. Oh, what a big shot by Allie Eisler. Nothing but twine. Allie Eisler. And then a steal on the inbound and a layup by Held. Brittany Held with a steal on the inbound. She gets a bucket. So 5 quick ones put up by Northstar. Oh, was that big to stem the tide. Nelson in the press. Ahead it goes Kelsey Tubner. Numbers are there ahead. Held lays it up on glass. Good. There they broke the press. Did Northstar and they got a layup. Brittany Held with 10. His life. Inbound pass comes in. Driving with it. Agler to the rim. Layup good. We do have a number 4. It's Sarah Agler. Northstar Bearcats 47. They ended up scoring the last 14 of the game. Lakota Adams Edmore 29.